In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a QR code in Canva. If you've ever wanted people to open your design or a web page with a quick scan, this is a simple and reliable way to do it directly inside Canva. Start by opening the project you want to share. Once your design is on the screen, look to the top right corner and click the Share button. This is where Canva keeps all the ways you can distribute your work. A panel will open. Go ahead and click. See All to expand the full set of sharing options. Under the Share section, choose QR code. This takes you to a focused panel built specifically for creating a scannable code. Now it's time to tell Canva where your QR code should point. Paste the URL in the field provided. This could be the link to your Canva design or any public web page you want your audience to visit. Take a moment to double-check the link for accuracy. A tiny typo can lead to a broken experience. If you're using a link to your design, make sure it's set to a shareable view so others can access it without issues. If your project has multiple pages, you can select which page to share. This is helpful when your design is a multi-page document, but you only want to direct people to a specific page. Choose the page that best matches the destination or highlights the content you want people to see first. When everything looks right, click Generate QR Code. Canva will process your input and display a clean, scannable code that points to the URL you entered. From here, you can download the QR code and use it wherever you need it. Save it to your device and add it to posters, flyers, presentations, social posts, or even on screen in a slideshow. If you plan to print it, use a clear, high-resolution download and give it enough space on the page so it scans easily. A quick tip: keep the QR code high contrast against the background and avoid stretching or distorting it. Place it where it's easy to see and consider testing it by scanning with a phone before you share widely. That simple check helps ensure your audience has a smooth experience. And that's it. Open your project, click Share, tap See All, choose QR code, paste your URL, select a page if needed, generate, then download and share. You now have a fast, professional way to get people from your design to your link with a single scan.